In Dubai, things don't develop, they evolve. And right now, Dubai South is undergoing a transformation unlike anything else. Why? Because $35 billion is poured by government and into expanding the Al Maktoum International Airport, which is set to become the largest airport in the world. And right next to it, the emerging lifestyle community called South Square. Now, South Square is one of the few places I've seen that blends Dubai's ambition with genuine livable calm. It's for families, for creatives, for grounded investors. It's not a flex, it's a future investment. Now, South Square is not just any other tower. It's village wrapped in modern amenities. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed has greenlit a $35 billion expansion of Al Maktoum International Airport. Now, that's not a soundbite. It means Dubai South is becoming the new core of global connectivity. Terms are calling it the next mega hub, and South Square sits right at the heart of it. Backed by nearly $500 billion in recent infrastructure spend, expo-style growth, luxury cruise ship docks, yacht clubs, and coastal development are turning this into a magnet for both global talent and tourists. This is connected to the city with effortless access, and it is adjacent to Al Maktoum International Airport, 7 minutes away from Expo City, 20 minutes away from Dubai Marina, 25 minutes from Palm Jumeirah, and 35 minutes from downtown Dubai. Now, South Square is curated mix of low-rise apartment around the central oasis. So for the prices, it's starting at 1.1 million dirhams for one bedroom with a size of 755 square feet up to 1032 square feet. This is perfect for single, young couples or rental investors. Next, you have priced two bedrooms, which is priced at 1.1 to 1.2 million dirham for people who need more space. That is either the growing families, co-living professionals, and everyone. Next, for the three bedroom, with the starting price of 1.6 million dirhams up to 2.3 million dirhams. Now, if you're looking for something truly special, the limited 3-bedroom units is perfect for you. With the size of average 2,686 square feet. Then you have expensive living from 2.2 million to 2.7 million. It's not a mass market housing, it's a relaxed, low-rise, luxury with real lifestyle appeal. Now, this will be ready by Q4 of 2028 with stunning courtyard pools. Then you have the leafy lounging decks, pocket parks, co-working areas, gym, kids splash zone, and even small retail cafes at your doorstep. Now, let's talk rental yield. Nearby communities at Dubai South are averaging to 7 to 8% gross rental return. Benchmarks that rival Al Furjan and JLT, yet with significant lower purchase price. And we all know lower entry price with strong yield equals stronger investor upside. Beyond yield, there's rising capital values. Areas connected to the airport nodes typically grow ahead of the curve. Recent comparable developments at Al Maktoum and Expo City have seen about 20 to 30% uplifts post completion. I met a young Dubai family last week. Decent income, two school-age kids, ready to plant roots, but not ready for villa prices. They were drawn to somewhere in this area. Considering South Square's walkable connected charm, the promise of future value and a retail hub that feels alive, that tells me this isn't just the hype, it's lived demand driving the narrative. Buy now or later regret. But here's what sparked industry chatter. S4 is already sold out, with S3 launching now. When the community sells off-plan fast, early, there's something real brewing in this place. I mention it because opportunity is real and rare. If you're balancing investment logic and lifestyle desire, let's talk. Even if you're just curious, send me a WhatsApp. We'll go through the layouts that actually suit your life. No pressure, just South Square, seen, felt, and compared with hearts of other projects. Now, this was all about South Square. If you want to know more or are interested in it, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.